Hi, my name is Bhattarai and I am a STEM educator for USU's 4-H Extension in Weber County. Today we're going to model orbiting systems. Planets orbit around the sun, but did you know that the sun orbits too? The gravity between a star and a planet tugs on both sides. However, because the star is usually much more massive than the planet, the star only moves a little bit. The objects in a planetary system all orbit around a point called the Barycenter. You can think of the Barycenter as a point at which the two objects or more would balance if they were placed on a giant seesaw. For the month of December, you can pick up a kit from your local Weber County Library branch. So for this activity, you will need a wooden dowel, about a yard of yarn, and some Play-Doh. It also would be useful to have a kitchen scale. So the first step is we're going to connect the yarn to the dowel using a cow hitch knot. To do this, first you fold your yarn in half, bring it up to the dowel, and pull the yarn through the loop. And now you should be able to slide that back and forth on your dowel. The next step is you're going to build some objects that are in space. So first I'm going to build a binary asteroid system. That means you have two asteroids that are about the same size. You can use a kitchen scale to make sure that they're about the same size, or you can just eyeball it. Close enough. Okay, so the next step is we're going to stick them onto our cosmic scale. Now what we need to do is move the yarn to try to find the Barycenter. Here's a hint: if one side is, whichever side is lower, you probably want to move your yarn closer to that side. This could really take a minute. Ah, I found it. Okay, now we can model the object's orbit. Next, we're going to model Pluto and its moon Charon. So Pluto and Charon are about a 100 to 12 ratio. There's my Pluto. Pluto has a heart on its surface. It really does, by the way. All right, close enough. Let's see if I can find the Barycenter between Pluto and Charon. I found it! Look at that! So fast! You can see that the moon actually causes Pluto to rotate as well, to spin around the Barycenter just right outside of Pluto's surface. If you use your finger to follow the planet, you can trace out its orbit. You can do the same thing for its moon, and you'll notice it is a much wider orbit. Okay, now let's try Earth and the moon. This is going to be a much larger difference because it's 100 to 1. This is a lot smaller than Earth. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so immediately that dropped. Okay, I can't push the string any closer to Earth because the Barycenter is actually inside of Earth. I'm going to cheat a little bit and make the moon a little bit bigger so that we can still see its orbit. There we go. The Earth pretty much stays in one spot. However, the moon still has a gravitational pull and it still does affect planet Earth. So why don't we use our imagination to build our own planet and moon system? Did you enjoy this activity? You can find more activities and videos at our Facebook group, Weber County 4-H STEM. I'm just going to skip that part of yours. Okay, one of those will be good. Did you enjoy this activity? You can find more activities and videos at our Facebook group, Weber County 4-H STEM.